Hey guys, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we will convert the face into woodcut effect. So without wasting any single time, let's get jump into Photoshop. So, here we are in the Photoshop with the image. And on the other tab, we have wood texture image. At first, we will select the image by quick selection tool. If you want, you can use other tool also. Your image is selected. Now, you have to copy the selected area from the image onto a new layer. Press Ctrl J to copy the selected area onto a new layer. Take the brush. Reduce the hardness to 0. Click on the mask icon button. Make sure the foreground color is black. Now paint the area you don't want. Select the Move tool. Click on the image. Drag the image to the other tab, and release. Press Ctrl T to open Transform dialog box. Adjust the size and position, according to your choice. Then click Enter, or click on the tick mark. Now, convert the layer into Smart Object. Then, press Alt-Shift-Ctrl-B for black and white. Then press OK. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Click on Photocopy. Detail will be 11, and darkness will be 46. Then hit OK. Then go to Select, Color Range. Fuzziness will be 0. And range will be 90. Also make sure shadow is selected. Then hit OK. Then again click on the mask icon button. Then take the brush. Increase the hardness to 100%. And paint the area you don't want. Now our face is ready for engraving. Go to the blending mode. Click on Soft Light. Then, double-click on the layer. It will open the Layer Style window. Click on the Bevel and Emboss. Then, Style will be Inner Bevel. Technique will be Smooth. Depth will be 100%. direction will be down. Size 4, softness 0, angle 120. Check on use global light. Then 30, highlight mode, linear dodge, white. Shadow mode, linear burn, black. Both 35. Then hit OK. We are almost done. Now for making the image more contrast, press Ctrl J to copy the layer. Reduce the opacity, according to the need. So, here we are done with the face woodcut effect. Hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe. That's all for today, we'll see you next time.